Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply uh, go to your PowerPoint. So either you are using like PowerPoint on the cloud, that means on your web browser, or you are using it locally from your computer, it will be the same thing. So basically, let's just go to the PowerPoint, and from here, we will be needing to start creating a new presentation. So let's just go for blank presentation, and now to start saving the presentation, you will be needing to simply go to the File menu. So by going to the File menu, you will find like Save, and you can also do it from Home, and you can use like Control S as a shortcut, and you will be able to start saving your file. So let's just go back to the file. From here, let's just go to save, and then it will take us to save as. So basically, you will add a file name, and from here, you will choose the format that you want like to have your presentation. So just leave it as a PPTX for like Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you will need just to choose where you want like to save it. If you want like to have it on the cloud, that means on your OneDrive, you can leave it there. Otherwise, if you want it to stay locally, you can click on Browse and choose the location where you want to save the file. If you had it like on the OneDrive, you will be needing just to simply go to OneDrive whenever you want to find it. And basically, you can also have OneDrive like on your computer, and you go to OneDrive. Now, if you go to the OneDrive and you have saved it there, you will find your presentation there. So by that, you will be able to start access to your PowerPoint presentation there. And in case you have used like PowerPoint from the browser, it will be automatically saved here on the OneDrive. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.